Hey, how's it going?
Hey, I'm doing awesome.
Brady, nice to meet you.
My name is Josh from TrailBuilt. Good to meet you, Brady.
Nice. I'm looking for a lift kit. I got a 2013 Jeep Wrangler, and I'm looking for something, you know, mild, not too aggressive, but something that'll get me up over these rocks. But I don't want to break the bank, you know. I don't have too much money, but I still want some quality. What do you guys have?
Where I always like to start with somebody who's looking for a really good quality lift, but not trying to break the bank, is with Rough Country. The reason being is because they have such good products and such a wide variety of products that you can find all different kinds of lifts for your Jeep and for a heck of a deal as well. So Rough Country has really come a long way, actually over the last like 5 to 8 years or so with their manufacturing processes. Their quality has really stepped up quite tremendously, and they now offer things like coilovers and really high quality nitrogen shocks.
So they got a wide variety, it sounds like.
Absolutely, yep. So if somebody's looking for a really good priced suspension lift, that's where I always start, is with Rough Country.
So I don't have a lot of money to spend right now, but I do want to buy. Do you have like a website that I can check out and like browse through and look at all of your guys' lifts that you have?
Absolutely. So Brady, if you go to TrailBuiltOffroad.com, you can check out all of our suspension lifts for your Jeep, and you can narrow it down by what size lift that you're looking for. And also you can go to our gallery as well, and you can see what size tire and wheel package fits that size lift that you're looking
that's
for.
Perfect. I don't have to guess anything then.
Exactly.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Man, you answered all of my questions that I had. I appreciate you. Thank you.
Very well. Yeah, you're very welcome. I appreciate you coming in.
Thank you.
And don't forget, check out TrailBuiltOffroad.com.
Thank you.
And Rough Country Lifts.
You have a good day.
All right, guys. So we wanted to put together a quick little video talking about Rough Country suspension and accessories. Now, you probably all have heard about Rough Country. If you haven't, you might be new to the wheeling industry. So Rough Country has really come a long way as far as all of the products they offer and their quality as well. So if you guys are looking for a really good quality lift and not trying to break the bank, the Rough Country suspension systems are a great way to go. And you can also check out all of their accessories that we have on TrailBuiltOffroad.com. Just in the accessories tab, you can find things like Rough Country winches, lights, bumpers, rock sliders, skid plates, and a whole variety of aftermarket Jeep and off-road rig products. So definitely worth checking it out. So we want to just do a little video covering Rough Country. If you guys have any questions, feel free to drop your questions in the comments below and let us know. Other than that, guys, that's all we have for you. So make sure, hit that subscribe button. That way you guys can hold on to the ride with us. And as always, we appreciate all of you for watching. I'm Josh from TrailBuilt, and we'll see you guys next time.